Glam babes, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look. If you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and let's get into this video.
They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting, think I'm gonna make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. And now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting for you. Think I wanna make that move. Thinking about making that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting. Hey, think I wanna make that move. Gonna make a move. Baby, tell me how you like it. Yeah, baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you'll like it. I swear. Just relax and let me make that move. It's our secret, but keep it between me and you. Now, oh yeah, I've been waiting. Think I'm gonna make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting. Think I wanna make that move. Gonna make the move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. It's me and you. It's just me and you. It's just us two. Baby, tell me just like it. You now. I'm waiting for your love. I've been waiting to make that move. Lips are telling me yes, while you kissing on my neck, making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. Your hot voice style drives me wild, but in the back of my mind, I know. I wanna see how you put that thing on me.
How I did this heart, I just took some concealer and created a heart, and then I put the pink eyeshadow on top of it, and that is how it looks. Don't mind my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'll come back to close out the video.